In this video, we are going to see Ecwid Dropshipping with AliExpress step-by-step tutorial. Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that can be seamlessly integrated with your existing website, business page on a social network, blog, marketplace, or mobile app. Let's get started. Click over here to get started for free. Create an account with email, or sign up with an Apple ID, Facebook profile, or with Google account. I will go with a Google account. It will take a few seconds to load. You have to complete your registration in 4 steps. In the first step, enter your store name, your country and currency. Click on Next. In step 2, enter your company address. Enter a city name, state, and postal code. Click on Next. In the third step, you have to provide some basic information about yourself that will be helpful in store setup. Choose an option if you already have selling experience. Choose a type of product you are selling. Are you setting up a store for someone else? I will go with No, and click on Next. The last and fourth step is, do you already have a website? No, I don't have a website. You can choose a domain for your website. Click on Next. Here Ecwid offers 4 plans: free, venture, business, and unlimited. Choose a plan that is best for you. I will go for free. Here I am on the Ecwid dashboard. On the left sidebar, In-Store Management, you can explore My Sales, Catalog, Marketing, and Reports. In Sales Channels, you can see the Overview, Website, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Mobile, and other channels. In Configuration, you can design your template and add a payment method, shipping and pickup, settings, apps, and profile. Let's click over Apps. Here in the search bar, enter Dropshipping. Scroll down, and here is the app name SUP Dropshipping that I am going to use for dropshipping. Click over here. You can explore this app's features and offers to use this app for dropshipping. Click over Install. And again Install. The app is successfully installed. Click over the Open app. Here is the app dashboard. You can see my total sales, orders, money saved, and total funds in my wallet. Here is the demo monthly progress graph and products. On the left side, let's go over Find Product. And then Imported Products. Here is a demo product. I just created this account, so I didn't import products yet. Let's go to the AliExpress website. AliExpress is an online retail service based in China and owned by the Alibaba Group. You can find every product cheap and of the best quality. I already created an account on AliExpress. If you don't have one, first create one. Let's choose a product and copy the link address. Go to Ecwid and here paste the copied link address and click on Import Product. Product is successfully added. You can check details, list them to the store, view the source of the product, and you can delete them. Let's click over and list it to the store. You can see the list limits on the top. Store name, and select the category of the product. Choose the product shipping from, and where the order will ship. Choose a shipping method that is best for you. You can see the all product variants. In images, you can change product images according to your need. In the product, choose a title that is SEO friendly. And add a product description. You can adjust text size and style, and feature images. Here set product price. Finally, click the check mark, agree on terms and policy, and click over List It Now. Products are successfully listed. Let's go to Products. And then Listed. Here you can see that a product is here. This is how you can start Ecwid dropshipping with AliExpress. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.